Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the updated steps to enable the Filter All Messages feature on Discord. This will help you manage your direct messages more effectively. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account, ready to customize your settings. Once you're in the app, look to the bottom right corner and tap on You. This will take you to your profile where you can manage your account settings. Next, at the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and tap on it to access the settings menu. This is where all the magic happens. Now, scroll down through the settings until you find the Privacy and Safety option. Tap on it to dive deeper into your privacy settings. You're almost there. Under the DM Spam Filter section, you'll see an option for Filter All Direct Messages. Select this option to enable the filter. This will help ensure that your inbox stays clear of unwanted spam messages, allowing you to focus on what really matters, and that's it. You've successfully enabled the Filter All Messages feature on Discord. By taking these simple steps, you'll have a more enjoyable experience while chatting with friends and community members. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Until next time, happy chatting on Discord. Out.